Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by putting on the right personal protective equipment, a properly rated welding helmet and safety glasses with side shields. Explain why. The helmet filters intense UV/IR and the glasses stop flying debris. Once you have them on, verify the shade number suits the amperage and welding type and test the auto-darkening response with a strike or test button. Make sure sensors are unobstructed and batteries charged. A delayed darkening exposes your eyes to flash and temporary vision loss. You now optimize the workspace to minimize eye exposure. Arrange the part and torch so reflections are away from your line of sight and reduce ambient light that can trick auto-darkening filters. Use welding curtains to shield coworkers and lower overall glare. Once done, fine-tune helmet settings. Raise sensitivity for low amp TIG, shorten delay for short welds, and adjust grind mode if needed. Keep the lens and sensors free of spatter. Even small contaminants change contrast and slow response times. You finish by protecting your eyes after welding and knowing how to respond to problems. Remove gear carefully and inspect for cracks, burn marks, or sensor damage. Replace defective components immediately because degraded shielding lets through harmful UV and IR. If your eyes sting or feel gritty, flush with clean water and rest them. Do not rub. If you experience flash burn signs like redness, tearing, or blurred vision, seek medical attention promptly. Troubleshooting tip. If auto-darkening misfires, start with fresh batteries and clean sensors before replacing the helmet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.